Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like the metaverse? Do you like virtual reality? Then you will like this project we'll be talking about, Ceek. We will go into it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, and as usual, everything is linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform. Let's see what's going on and what they're all about. As you can see here, welcome to the Ceek-VR Metaverse, DeFi for music artists, sports and content creators, meaning that you can actually interact with your fans here as a content creator as well, and it directly connects music artists, athletes and other digital content creators directly to their fan in the VR world. So here you can connect with superstars, you can get interactive with the Ceek's NFT marketplace, and this will enable you to get ownership of digital items as well. And they have world-class partnerships with various partners, as you can see here: Lady Gaga, U2, Sting, Ziggy Marley and more, which is quite interesting to be honest. So what's going on here? Simply speaking, you can buy a VR headset. Ceek's patent VR headset and bundles are currently sold at major retailers at nationwide scale, meaning that you can actually get your hands on this headset and you can get directly into the metaverse and get into concerts, get into your favorite artists or favorite athletes and what they're on about, and you can get into the metaverse on the virtual reality and just go on business and attend actually virtual concerts or virtual parties. Ceek is the future of music streaming and publishing. Well, to be honest, yeah, I do agree to a certain degree on that, because quite interestingly, we're moving into that the virtual reality is taking over the real concert. Of course, it's a different feeling, but it's worth mentioning here that things are moving or transitioning slowly but steadily towards everything is being virtual. You can put your headset, you can be in a completely different place. Your mind wouldn't even know the difference between reality and what you're seeing in front of you. And things here are quite interesting also for artists, meaning that you don't have to be physically present at a certain place to perform or whatever. You can also do that at the comfort of your home or at the comfort of your local area, and then all your fans all around the globe can also attend. And as you scroll down, you'll find here that the Ceek NFT marketplace also will be available here. You can get membership, you can get ownership, you can get collectibles, and everything will be quite explainable, of course, in an NFT space. And as you scroll down, you'll find that the Ceek ventures also are existing. The venues here are quite existing in the metaverse. And as you click here, let's just go and quite this to minimum. As you can see here, that's a virtual concert, meaning that you can participate in this virtual concert. You can book your place, you can see your favorite artists performing, you can see some events. And as you scroll here, you'll find that the reality here is the virtual reality is just taking over. You can get everything you want at the comfort of your home, which is quite interesting. So Ceek plus VR metaverse plus blockchain, everything will connect with each other and give you the comfort and experience of everything in one single place. So as we scroll down, you'll find here that the Blockchain Congress is a group of voting members with Ceek appointed to submit various proposals for vote approved by members and witnesses, meaning that you can be also an early adopter and have some rights for vote and some rights to steer the project direction in the future. So that's why I highly recommend you to check the links down below and see what's it all about and get yourself more informed. I don't necessarily encourage you to jump straight ahead, but just get yourself more informed. Information is key. The more informed you are, the more opportunities you will seize. So something rather important happening here is the VR app. Ceek-VR app. Once you click on that, you will be going to what's so-called a streaming platform. That's the best way to describe it. You can get acquainted with everything here, and as you can see, it's more or less a streaming platform for your favorite artists, for your favorite musicians, for your favorite athletes. You can get everything at the comfort of your home, at the fingertips, but in a very realistic way also if you're using the VR headset, so you can get everything in a very unique experience. I would say in a very soothing way, in a very alluring way as well, so you can get yourself more and more interested in what's going on, and you can also celebrate the major outtake of the VR reality in the music industry or the sports industry as well. As you can see here, Black Love virtual concert. Jay-Z was making also some virtual concerts. It's taking over. It's slow but steady. It's just it's just starting. We're just witnessing the very, very, very beginning of this major revolution in technology that it will make everything possible for everyone. You don't have to travel around the globe just to attend a concert. You can do that using these services. So you can sign up here for the process. I mean, it's quite easy and simple. You put your username or password, and then you confirm the password, male or female, and then your date of birth, and put the country, or you can just simply connect with Facebook, and everything will be ready and good to go. Something also I want to point out here is the Ceek Twitter account. Twitter account is very indicative for how big a project is. As you can see here, it's 220,000 followers. Most of them, of course, are legitimate followers. You will find them quite interactive. 1,600 likes. People are retweeting, people are interactive, people are discussing. So I would highly recommend you to check it out also in the description below, and you can see what's it all about, and you can also get interactive if you have questions, if you have some inquiries, if you're wondering about something, you can get in touch, and people are more than happy. It's a very friendly community. It's an artistic community as well, so people are quite happy to interact with you and give you guidance if you have any questions. So something also here on the platform is the news. You can get yourself the latest information. Once you click here on the news, you will be taken into the news and updates. Here you can get the latest news. As you can see, June 9th, that was the latest updates, and then you can get yourself regular information, what they're on about, what they're adding, what they're planning, what kind of events are coming. So you can get yourself here also acquainted with what's going on, and you can be part of this amazing community on Twitter or Discord as well. So things are quite interesting here, and the future of artistic and sport events is going to be quite interesting to see everyone wearing the headset and getting completely in virtual reality. So I highly recommend you to check it out, and that's it. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Ceek. Ceek is a great platform if you want to interact with your fans, and if you're a content creator and you can use the metaverse and get all the powers comes with virtual reality. Everything is linked down below in the description. I highly recommend you to check it out. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also leave a comment if you have any, and see you next video. Bye bye.